Well, welcome to SHEP Talks. Through this space, guests will have an opportunity to share valuable insights, experiences, and lessons learned throughout their time at SHEP. Today, joining us is Jim Langford, who's Executive Director for SHEP. Welcome, Jim.
Thanks, Cheryl. Welcome.
Well, Jim, I know that there's been some changes and expansion to the program. I was wondering if you could just highlight a little bit how COVID-19 pandemic has really provided opportunities for program expansion through the SHEP program.
Well, as you can imagine, when you have a summer internship program where 130 kids are spread across 20 cities in the United States, and a pandemic hits, then you can imagine what it does to your plans for a summer program. During March, we spent a good bit of time coming up with contingency plans while maintaining an optimistic attitude that everything was going to be fine, we hoped, by the first or second week of June. And as March progressed and we went on into April, it became more clear that we were not going to be able to have a normal summer where kids all come together in one big opening conference in Washington, D.C., and then they move on to these cities and live in these cohorts, of 5, 6, 7 students in these different cities, and travel by air to do that. All those things just weren't going to be able to happen. And so we began to fall back on a couple of our contingency ideas. And one was to have a robust online program for the summer. And that meant, of course, developing curriculum, and finding ways to have service to these agencies, to these different partner groups out there who are providing services to these underserved populations. How do you do that? That's one of the things we began to ask questions about. So we had to figure out a way to have academic program, a good academic backbone to what we were doing, but at the same time providing service to these agencies and to their individual clients or people that they serve. So that became a challenge. But after a great deal of work, we've come forward with a plan that works, and we have found that a lot of these partner agencies are embracing this with enthusiasm. That was also something we didn't expect. So they are very happy to have these students to help out, and they are very happy to brainstorm how to create a program like that that's meaningful for them and meaningful for the student. And beyond that, this gives us a great platform, a great way to begin to expand our academic programming, our services for the future. We always envisioned an academic program, an internship program that was broader than just summer programming, but we weren't quite sure how to do that. And so this has forced us to dig in deeper, to think harder, to have a lot more conversations with our schools, the various 25 member institutions, and with these partner agencies and with students to figure this out. And so it's been a very healthy and creative process that we've all enjoyed. It's been a lot of hard work, but it's now coming around. So having said all of that, what this means is that we'll have our students out there in these different cities working online, so that some of them may be in the cities, probably won't be. Most of them will be at home, perhaps, or in some other location doing this work for these partner agencies. And again, like I say, it will have an academic backbone to it that provides them with the kind of credit that they were hoping to achieve for the summer. So this means serving then the same kind of agents. Now, some of these partner agencies will say, no, we've got part of what your internships were going to do was to help us with summer camps for children. Well, they're not going to have those summer camps this summer. So we've had to work with those agencies to find other things that might be of service and of value to those different partner agencies. And so we've found plenty of work to do, though. Lots of different projects and lots of ways that we can add value. So we're very pleased with that. Our organization is energized by all of this. Our board is, our finance committee, our fundraisers, everybody is finding that this is a really wonderful way to move our organization forward.
Excellent, Jim. Well, very exciting. And, if people would like to learn more about the program and also how to support, who should they contact?
Well, they can contact me. I'm happy to take calls and or emails, and I'm at jim.langford, Langford, at shepherdconsortium.org. So that's an easy way. You can call. You can also call me if you want to, and that phone number is 404-831-1959. 404-831-1959. I'm happy to if I need to direct your call to somebody else within the organization, then I'm willing to take that call and make that happen.
Well, excellent, Jim. Well, thank you so much for providing some insights into the programming and all the expansion plans that you're already implementing and planning to do. So thank you for joining us on SHEP Talks today. And until next time, we'll see you soon.
Thanks, Cheryl.